Hi, Gracie. Why? Why all of a sudden do you have to get all excited? As soon as the camera turns on, we got a crazy dog every time. All right, Gracie, are you ready to start this thing? All right, kids, it's monthly collaboration time. One more time. This month, we are doing tips for living in small spaces, but we're renaming it to Tips for Living in Small Spaces Without Killing Each Other, because we haven't killed each other yet. For those of you that don't know, we do a monthly collaboration with a handful of other YouTubers out there, and I'm going to tell you who those YouTubers are so that when you're done watching our tips, you can go watch their tips. I'm switching it up a little bit this go around, because normally I list the YouTube channel and then I list who they are, but I always do the guy's name first. So this time, I'm doing the ladies' names first. So, the others in the collaboration are Camping with the Confers with
Shelly K.
And Mike. Just Rambling Around with
Jody.
You gotta say Jody first.
I had to reverse it.
Jody and Ron.
Jody and Ron.
We have Live to Journey with Lenny and Jay. We have RV America with Lynn and Danny. And we have RV Wagon Tales with Tina and David. But we also have guest collaborators this month. Okay. I say collaborators with an S because we're so cool. We have multiple guests.
We're not cool.
Yes, we are. Take that back. First, we have Chasing Our Sunshine with Deb and Joel, and we have the Roadsmiths, which is Pam and Ken. All right, so when you're done watching ours, go watch theirs. We'll link all that stuff below. Why are we qualified to talk about this topic, Tony Tao?
Because A, we full-time.
Mm-hmm.
B, we work remotely full-time in our RV, and we live full-time in our RV.
And when Tony says we work, it's not like she has one job and I have the other. We work together. We both run a video production company. So we're pretty much...
So we know how to not only live together, but collaborate together and do, because we have to.
So we're going to talk about this from our knowledge base, which is, you know, a middle-aged couple full-timing in an RV with a crazy dog.
What do you call them, middle-aged?
Jeez, well, we're both middle-aged. With that said, let's get this thing going. Ready? Go. So have defined roles that both of you do. For instance, Tony does a lot of the stuff on the inside of the trailer. I do a lot of stuff on the outside of the trailer. But with that said, take some time every once in a while to do the other person's job.
I don't dump the toilets.
Tony does dishes most of the time, but there's times I just go in and do the dishes.
Agree on anything big coming into the trailer because it does take up valuable space.
So in this lifestyle, things are going to go sideways. Things are going to break. You're going to make plans. The plans aren't going to work out. And what's going to happen? You're going to get frustrated. Or your spouse or your partner is going to get frustrated. And they're going to say something to you not so nice. So if you're the type that holds a grudge, you're going to be in trouble. So the key here is don't hold a grudge. Just get over it. Time for more propane.
So be sure to take time for yourself, whether it's going grocery shopping by yourself or going window shopping or going for a bike ride or going for a walk. Take time for yourself. It gives you time to think. It gives you time to just have your own space.
So this one comes from a former boss of mine. I used to have a boss that used to tell me, do you want to be right or do you want to solve the problem? So think of that when you and your spouse or your partner are having an argument about something. You're having a problem you're trying to solve. Do you want to be right or do you want to solve the problem? Most of the time, you just want to solve the problem.
Be sure to pick up after yourself. It's a small space. Clutter builds up really fast. And one of my favorite RVers said, if you take it out, put it back.
the last one that I got for you, communication. If you're having a problem, something that your spouse is doing, your partner's doing, that's bothering you, you got to bring it up. They're not mind readers. They have no idea that it's bothering you. If you don't bring it up, you're going to sit on it, you're going to fester on it, and then you're going to wind up with a huge blow up and have an argument. So if there's a problem, make a deal between you and your spouse. You can bring up anything that they're doing that's a problem for you, a pet peeve. Again, just don't let it fester. Bring it up. Solve the problem.
Let your wife keep her cute pillows. They're just pillows.
Oh my God, there's so many pillows. They go on forever and ever and ever. All right, so that is our tips for living in a small space without killing each other. Most importantly, just remember one thing. You guys are a team.
Right.
Got to use teamwork.
Teamwork.
Because teamwork...
Don't go.
Oh, come on. Because teamwork, what does teamwork do, Gracie? It makes the dream work.
Ooh, there's no I in team.
So many cliches. Remember to go see the other collaborators.
Don't forget to like and subscribe any of those collaborators.
Exactly. We also have another thing that we added this month is we put a thanks button down there. Do you know what the thanks button means? Why are you sighing?
I don't know how I feel about the thanks button.
Why?
I don't know.
Okay, well, if you like what we're doing, if you've got something out of this content, we have a thanks button. If you click on that thanks button, then you can give us a few shekels. We can buy a new dog toy for Gracie or a new beer for me. You're not gonna get any.
Beer! May I have another
Can I have some more, please?
That's kind of what it feels like a little bit. I don't know. I'm just not used to it, so.
All right. Tony Tao's not. She doesn't like begging.
Not a salesperson.
No, you're not. All right, guys. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video.